Welcome back to Sweetfield. Today's cake is Lightning McQueen. If you are new to our channel, you may want to consider subscribing and please click the notification bell. Let's start by adding a small amount of icing on our cake board. The size of the cake board is 12 by 16 and the size of the cake is 8 by 12 by 4 to 5 inches high. Don't forget to always put your border icing before putting your filling. This is a chocolate moist cake with dulce. Let's put the first coating of the cake. Let's cover all the crumbs on the cake and chill this for at least 15 to 30 minutes. Now for the last layer, let's put a thick amount of icing. Scrape the cake until smooth using your preferred spatula. When smoothing a cake, there is no other good advice but to practice. For the next step, cut the marshmallow white fondant into a rectangular shape. Cut the red fondant using a cookie cutter with your preferred shape. Using a black fondant, let's prepare the name on the cake. To stick it, you just have to put a small amount of water on each letter. Make a round shape red and black fondant. Now for the next step, cut the fondant into a number 2 figure with at least 8 to 10 inches height. You can also use a printout to pattern before cutting it. Cut red fondant into strips and use it as a border. Attach the rectangular strips using a small amount of water. Let's create tire using these quick steps. Don't forget your start and finish banner. To secure the car toys, cut the paper straw depending on the height of your cake. Attach it on your toys using a glue stick. Let it dry for a few minutes. Carefully attach all the design on the cake. Add sprinkles and sugar cookies to make it more fun and colorful. Thank you for watching.